Good evening, everyone. I hope you all had a nice weekend and you did a lot of shopping because we only have about 7 days before Christmas. So let's get right into this. This is going to be an update on the market using the ETFs. I'm looking at the uh, quadruple Qs, which followed pretty much uh, the technology sector of the Nasdaq. So I'm starting with the weekly chart, 5-year weekly chart, and like you can see right here, we have broken through this downtrend line, and we have been above it for I guess 2 months now. And um, what I want to show you here is the divergence on the histogram on the weekly. And if we go ahead and zoom in into the daily chart, on the daily chart, you can definitely see the divergence on the moving averages. Matter of fact, you can see it hasn't crossed the moving average. Let me see. No, it doesn't look like they crossed. Nope, they haven't. So the moving averages haven't crossed, but they're really close to do right here a bearish cross. Nonetheless, it's still negative divergence, and which means that even though the price is moving higher, the moving averages are moving lower. So this the Qs and Nasdaq has been the leaders on the past year, and this for next year, I actually am looking for them to be the laggers. So this one is one of the possibilities that could break down from this uptrend channel, um, and had to do a back test on the downtrend line. So I'll be watching this one really close. Let's go ahead and move on real quickly to the SPYs. Um, and the SPYs are uh, the ones, the ETF that follows um, the S&P 500. And if you look at on the weekly chart, let's go ahead and do the 5-year weekly again. This is the downtrend line from back in 2007, and we are. Let's go ahead and zoom in. Um, we're in this uptrend channel, right? And let's go ahead and do the daily. Just go ahead and move into the daily. You can see again the negative divergence, but this one is looking a little bit stronger than the prior chart that I just went over. Um, we're looking more of a bull flag type of scenario, and it's possible it could head to the bottom of this channel before it moves higher, but it's only been a few days from the for the consolidation. So we'll see what happens next week. I'll be definitely watching for any type of cross of the MACD's moving averages that will weigh on the price moving higher, because that will definitely be a sell signal for a lot of technicians. And finally, I'm looking to the IWM, which is the small caps for the of the Russell 2000. And let's go into the 5-year chart again, weekly. And this one is actually, I'm liking this one the best as far as technicals, because the MACD is looking a lot stronger on the weekly and also in the daily. And obviously, we have pierced through the downtrend line, and we'll be making new highs for the past couple of years, 2 or 3 years already, pretty soon. Um, and again, if you look at the daily chart, the we have positive divergence, um, which is still the moving averages are going higher as price is going higher. So that's a great thing. Um, and this is definitely the one of my uh, I guess positive things for next year. Thank you for listening. This is directionalanalysis.com.